Do the drone dances best from science journals? Do the drone dance? Here are some of the most interesting research works published in the top science journals last week. Land or water algae. Published in Cell. By decoding the genome of Kurt Brownie, of freshwater algae, and comparing it with the genome of land plants, scientists have identified genetic adaptations that helped water plants migrate to land and increase their territory. They also found genes that land plants inherited from their water ancestors, and hope to answer questions regarding the evolution of different receptors, hormones, and about ion channels that plants use to send signals over longer distances inside their body. Magnetic wire to detect cancer. Published in Nature Biomedical Engineering. Scientists from Stanford University have reported that by using a magnetic wire, tumor cells floating in the blood can be detected. Special magnetic nanoparticles will first be engineered into tumor cells roaming in the bloodstream, and when the magnetic wire is inserted into a vein, these nanoparticles will be attracted to it. If approved for use in humans, this method can help in early cancer diagnosis. Dance your drones. Published in DNAs. Forget joysticks. Soon you will be able to fly drones using your body movements. Scientists from Switzerland have developed the data-driven body-machine interface and used it to steer drones. The upper body or torso of the person was connected to special electrodes, and the motion helped fly the drone. The scientists say that the body-machine interface participants even outperformed the joystick users. I smell a rat. Published in Nature. Rats are posing a major threat to coral reefs. But don't start imagining tiny rats chewing on corals. The study has now shown that the increasing rat population on many remote tropical islands has led to the decrease in bird population as rats feed on the birds' eggs and chicks. This has led to a decrease in nutrient-rich bird droppings on the coastal soil, which usually enters the sea and benefits biological communities on the adjacent coral reefs. But now invasive rats have broken this cycle, decreasing reef productivity. Understanding Alzheimer's. Published in Life. A certain protein called tau can be found in tangles inside the brain tissue of Alzheimer's patients. The more severe the disease, the more deadly the tangles. Now scientists have found the precise point at which this healthy protein becomes toxic and starts to form these tangles. They say that this could be the big bang of tau pathology and could help devise new strategies for early detection and also the development of new treatments to stabilize the tau proteins before they change their shape.
We developed a new system to control a drone that does not involve a joystick, a keyboard, or anything similar, but uses just movements of the torso. And it's very intuitive, easy to learn, and it's immersive. It gives you the feeling that you are flying. And we found that for some users, in particular those who are not used to play video games or to virtual reality, it's much easier to use their body than a joystick or a keyboard. It's true, drones are fragile. If they crash, probably they will get some damage. To reassure the users, we provide them with a very safe framework to learn how to use our technique. We have developed a virtual environment in which we have a simulated drone that flies in a very similar way to the real drone. It really allows the users to get used to the dynamics, to the movements they have to do. Even if it is very intuitive, it takes a few minutes to get used, to learn, and to appreciate how the drone would react. To come up with the system using only the torso, we screened a group of 17 people. We covered their upper body with markers to record their motion. That was about 30 markers. We also looked at their muscular activities, and we found this very simple and global pattern that involves only the torso, and which we can record using only 4 markers. We have a strong collaboration with search and rescue groups, and with our system we could simplify this process. As it's very intuitive and simple to control, you can focus not only on steering a drone, but also on exploring the environment and looking for potential important information. And more globally, we believe that with this system, we could simplify the control of any kind of non-humanoid robot.